So when I saw the top of this, like I knew immediately like this $12.99 bag is not going to include an $85 lip gloss. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing the May Lip Monthly box. The bag this month is a little chintzy compared to normal. They don't normally give great bags, but usually a little better than this sack. We did get 5 items this month though, and they promised to give you 4 to 5 items for $12.99, so we are getting quite a few items. The first item we have received before. This item is pretty good. It is by Model Co. It is a lip oil, a pretty good item. Then we have Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick by Louboutin. This is a really cool color. So this one feels kind of oily, like weirdly oily. I don't know that I love this one, but I don't hate it. I do like the color. I give this one a 2 out of 5 stars. The next item is by Trifle Cosmetics, and I am beyond in love with this box. It is so cute. It has little hearts and ice cream cones on it. And this is Jelly Juice. Even this little package is super duper cute, continuing the theme. So this is probably my favorite product of the entire bag. So it does look like jelly. It smells like jelly does, and it feels really good on the lips. I like the color. It's super bright. This is definitely a winning product. So our next one is a Super Gloss by Bella Pierre, and this is a super fun pink color. Smells kind of fruity. This is also not a bad lip gloss. I do like the color. It feels nice on the lips and it smells delicious. So our last product is the one that I put in the thumbnail because when I first saw it, it immediately reminded me of the Louis Vuitton lip gloss. And I have seen these before and thought who would pay $85 for a lip gloss. So when I saw the top of this, like I knew immediately like this $12.99 bag is not going to include an $85 lip gloss. But I wanted to like pull up a photo and see how similar the two were because it just looked so similar to me. And sure enough, like the design on the top with the scallops they have on the regular Louis Vuitton one, the top of this looks almost identical. And the tube on the Louis Vuitton one has like scallops all the way down it. And this one just has it on the tip. But so there are some subtle differences, but overall, like this looks almost identical to that one. So I thought it was crazy that they're kind of doing like a Louis Vuitton knockoff. They do put their own brand name on it though, Illuminati. So it's not like a total ripoff. They're not trying to like pretend that this is from that company. But I do find it a little crazy that this company would choose to use a bottle that looks so similar to another company's bottle, especially something that's like this unique. They really could have changed it up by like not putting dots around it or not putting the scallops, but like they really went for it when it comes to like duping the Louis Vuitton bottle. This is almost identical. It's super close. And the colors that this company did also, I noticed they do like a light white, a pink, and a darker pink, and it's the same colors. You can find this on the Louis Vuitton website. So this item sells for $21 on the Illuminati website. They seem to be a very small company with not much stuff in stock. The product itself actually like smells pretty good. I'm gonna try it on. I don't hate it. I just can't believe they copied the bottle so closely. Yeah, so this is a really cute color. I don't hate the item. I think this subscription box is really worth the price. We've gotten quite a few of them now, and I really enjoy most of them. Most of the products seem to be from smaller companies. We haven't really gotten any from larger companies yet. We've also gotten quite a bit of cute little cruelty-free products, so that's really cool. I really enjoy that they give a good array of types of products, you know? And normally they'll give like a lip scrub or something. It's weird we didn't get something like that this time, but the jelly juice is kind of the weird thing of the bunch. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider hitting that like button and subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye.